Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up. Fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
You've been looking for someone who brings you breakfast in bed and doesn't mess with your head. No, but you don't answer to no one. Yeah, 'cause you got way too many scars from people tearing you apart. No, you think I let you down, break your heart and play around, but that's not me. No, I will love you right back, and come and hold you whenever you're sad. Yeah, I know you don't wanna get hurt, but you'll have to take my word that I will love you right back, love you right back. You don't wanna be left out. You wanna feel something real with someone who knows what you need. But I know that these days it ain't always easy to get what you're looking for. Yeah. You think I let you down, break your heart and play around, but that's not me. No.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Luvme Hair. Shout out to you, Luvme, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the wig that I'm rocking is their kinky curly neck length 5x5 undetectable lace wig with natural hairline. It is available in both 14 and 16 inches. I'm not sure what length they sent me. I'm gonna go with 14. Y'all let me know down below what y'all think it is. Do you think it's 14 or 16? But I'm gonna go with 14. It's giving me 14 vibes. details is it's 100% human hair. It's natural black. It's pre-plucked. It can be dyed. It has adjustable straps. It's 22.5 inches, which is the standard medium cap size. It's a top Swiss lace and is a 5x5 area. Oh, and it's also 180% density. It says more versatility either side or middle part. So it is a closure wig, obviously, and you can still part it here, or leave it in the middle. Mine's came in the middle, so I assume that everybody's come in the middle. But you can part it wherever you want to part it. I do want to go ahead and throw it out there, y'all, that I did not apply any adhesive to this wig. So literally, oh girl, it's just plopped on my head. Like, it's just plopped on. And this is actually the next day. So I have had this unit on and rocked it for 2 days. So I want to throw that out there as well. It's just a really, really easy, beginner-friendly sort of wig. Now, as far as the curls, they did, the company had asked me to just take more time and show you guys how I define curls. I don't define no curls, child. I wouldn't even know where to begin defining curls. But what I did do is I sprayed it with water, brushed it with my detangler comb, and then I added my Cantu curling mousse. You can use gel if you're going for that more wet look. It's still a little damp, so mine is giving wet, but I tend to go more so for the fluffy look than the wet look. Okay, so it just kind of depends on you, but you can achieve either with this unit. If you want more of the wet look, then I wouldn't suggest the curling mousse. I would suggest you use something like a gel or the product that Cynthia has been mentioning to me, and I still haven't gotten it because I went on there and I wasn't sure which one to get. But Cynthia, comment down below and let everybody know what that product is. Girl, help us out, help us all out, okay? But there are different products you can use to achieve whatever look you want with your curly texture units. You can style this unit different ways other than the middle part, or even like right now I have like 2 little twists in the top. That's kind of like my go-to sort of look. I like that because sometimes, a lot of times, I don't like hair in my face. Like, that's how I feel. But I will like put 2 little strands there and, you know, make that a look. But I also did like little top knots in the top because I was thinking that's what I wanted to go for. You can do half up, half down. You can do a lot of things with this wig, even though it is a 5x5 closure. As long as it's not like a lace closure, if it's like a 5x5 or a 4x4, you can still do other styles with that. So I want to throw that out there. As far as shedding and tangling, honestly, y'all, I have not gotten any. That's not to say old girl won't do any of the things at some point. It's just to say the straight out the packaging, old girl is doing none of the things. Okay, so I want to throw that out there as well. And as far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, it's more big head friendly than not. I think you can still make it work if you have a smaller head, but I do feel like it's more geared towards medium to large head friendly versus small to medium head friendly. But in my opinion, but I only got the head that's on my shoulders, girl, okay, and that's an average cap size. But in my opinion, I think you can make it work across the board. So that's pretty much it for all the details and specs. I do want to just go ahead and talk about like this lace a little bit, or insert a picture or whatever, y'all, and let y'all get into it, because this lace, I didn't feel the need to add any adhesive. Like, I may add it at some point, but straight, like right now, I didn't feel the need to. I feel like this is the type of unit you don't necessarily need any adhesive unless you want to for that extra security. But I feel like this is definitely a glueless wig. And honey, this lace, I didn't add no bleach. I ain't tweezed it. It won't cut like this. So kudos to them for that. Now, if you are interested in my pros and cons as well as the full 360, then please continue to watch. Alright, so you guys know I like to start on my cons because I like to end on a high note. So my con with this wig, child, I'm struggling with the con. Okay, so I'm gonna say the con can be that it's a closure. Some people like closure, some people don't. I am more so somebody that likes closures, but I do know there are people that don't. So I'm just gonna say that's the only con I can think of, girl. Okay, like that's the only thing I can think of. My pros, on the other hand, is the fact that it's a closure, okay? It is a closure. I love a closure because I'm lazy, and I feel like closures are just really, really easy and they are convenient. I I choose closures over a frontal any day. You guys know, if you watch me, that closures are my go-to. I love a closure. I was so excited when I took this unit out of the packaging and remembered that it was a closure. I was like, yes, Lord. Oh, won't he do it? I was so excited. So I love that it's a closure. I love the texture. I love the hairline. I love that I can wear it glueless. So those are my pros. Yes, I would definitely recommend this wig, especially if you are a beginner. This is like the perfect unit for a beginner. You don't have to curl it. It's not a whole lot of styling you have to do. You can just throw a girl on and go and and it'll be a look. Okay, so I would definitely recommend this wig. Like, girl, if you ain't got her, what are you doing? All right, y'all, so I'm gonna give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. And y'all, my back may look a little frizzy. I didn't wet that side today at all, really, the back. So if it looks a little crazy in the back, that's because it has not been wet since yesterday, or any mousse or anything applied to it. So that's my bad, but you guys get the picture, because this is how I really want it to look, but the front hasn't dried yet. So I really like that fluffy, I just woke up out of bed and my hair is just curly and messy and pretty. That's the vibe I be going for, girl. But anyways, y'all, let me know what you guys think about this unit down below in the comments. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. Sound off down below in the comments for you, girl. And if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out you Love Me Hair for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. You the real MVP sis. And yeah, y'all, that's all.
That's all.
So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions and feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you nothing. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok.
It's a disastrous beauty. Yes, you just came into it. The looks you love completely. Got every style.